LuxMed ultrasonic cleaners use high-frequency sound waves to clean objects by creating tiny bubbles that burst, dislodging dirt and grime. This method is effective for various items, including jewelry, medical instruments, and electronic components. Key components. Generator. Provides the high-frequency electrical power to the transducer. Transducer. Converts electrical energy into ultrasonic waves. Cleaning tank. Contains the liquid and the object to be cleaned. Cleaning solution. The liquid used in the tank, often containing detergents or other cleaning agents. How it works. 1. Sound waves. The ultrasonic cleaner emits high-frequency sound waves into a cleaning solution. 2. Cavitation. These sound waves create tiny bubbles, cavitation, in the liquid. 3. Bubble bursting. As the bubbles grow and collapse, they release energy that dislodges dirt and grime from the object's surface. 4. Cleaning. The cleaned object is then removed and rinsed to remove any remaining cleaning solution. Applications. Medical. Cleaning surgical instruments, dental tools, and lab equipment. Jewelry. Removing dirt, grime, and buildup from jewelry pieces. Electronics. Cleaning electronic components and parts. Industrial. Cleaning parts and tools in various industries. Other. Cleaning eyeglasses, watches, and more. Benefits. Thorough cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaners can reach into hard-to-reach areas and crevices. Gentle cleaning. The process is relatively gentle on delicate items. Efficient. Ultrasonic cleaning can be faster and more efficient than manual cleaning. Environmentally friendly. Some ultrasonic cleaners can use biodegradable solutions and reduce chemical usage. Ultrasonic cleaner working principle. Ultrasonic cleaning uses cavitation bubbles induced by high-frequency pressure, sound waves to agitate a liquid. The agitation produces high forces on contaminants adhering to substrates like metals, plastics, glass, rubber, and ceramics. This action also penetrates blind holes, cracks, and recesses. Ultrasonic cleaners work by generating high-frequency sound waves that create tiny bubbles, cavitation, in a cleaning liquid. These bubbles then implode, creating localized shock waves and intense heat that dislodge dirt and contaminants from objects submerged in the liquid. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Sound wave generation. An ultrasonic generator produces high-frequency electrical energy, typically in the range of 25 to 50 kHz, notes Soltec SRL. This energy is converted into mechanical vibrations by an ultrasonic transducer. 2. Cavitation. The transducer generates high-frequency sound waves, which are transmitted to the cleaning liquid. As the sound waves pass through the liquid, they create pressure fluctuations, periods of compression and rarefaction. During rarefaction, low pressure, small bubbles, cavitation bubbles, are formed. 3. Bubble collapse and shock waves. As the sound waves continue to pass, the pressure fluctuations cause the cavitation bubbles to expand and contract rapidly. Eventually, the bubbles collapse violently, implode, generating localized shock waves, high temperatures, and intense pressure. 4. Cleaning action. The shock waves and high temperatures dislodge dirt, grease, and other contaminants from the surfaces of objects immersed in the liquid. The cleaning solution can also help to dissolve and remove contaminants. 5. Straightforward flow effect. Ultrasonic waves can also cause the liquid to flow along the direction of sound propagation, which further aids in cleaning. 6. Acceleration of liquid. The vibration of the liquid particles due to ultrasonic waves can also accelerate the liquid, enhancing the cleaning process. Multi-stage ultrasonic system, ultrasonic cleaning followed by rinsing and drying tank. Multi-tank or multi-chamber ultrasonic cleaning machines are ideal for production lines where usually a bulk quantity has to be cleaned daily. Multi Chamber Ultrasonic Cleaning machine becomes a part of the manufacturing line, which enables voluminous cleaning of different types of parts. A usual multi-tank ultrasonic cleaning machine comprises of the following stages: ultrasonic cleaning followed by rinsing and drying tank. However, the stages can be customized and added up to 10 tanks or more depending upon the process requirement. Types of multi-tank ultrasonic cleaning machines. 1. Manual. Enables manual transfer of baskets from one tank to another. 2. Semi-automatic. Enables pneumatic dunking and push-slide basket arrangement. 3. Fully automatic. Enables minimum human intervention with auto basket transfer from one tank to another. Models of ultrasonic multi-tank cleaning machines. 1. MSUS2 ultrasonic cleaning plus heated rinsing. 2. MSUS3 ultrasonic cleaning plus heated rinsing plus drying. 3. MSUS4 ultrasonic cleaning plus ultrasonic rinsing plus heated rinsing plus drying. Machine features. 1. Oil skimmer options. 2. Low-level float sensors. 3. Options of filtration unit. 4. Low noise working modules. 5. Dually passivated tanks for longevity. 6. Digital timer and temperature controllers. 7. Fully insulated stainless steel working tanks. Cleaning is a critical business. Whether it is cleaning of a simple machined part or precision cleaning of a complex component. At Labosis, we pay equal emphasis to each client with the same diligence. A perfect cleaning regime is much like a perfect recipe for a dish. Each step has to be calculated keeping in mind the component geometry, the material make, the contamination type, the quantity of components to be cleaned, the cleaning media, liquid, the requirement of a dust-free zone, and many more. Based on specific cleaning requirements of our clients, we have come across many such cases where ultrasonic cleaning solution serves as the best cleaning remedy. From automotive parts washing system to medical instruments washing, our machines are used in many industries across various verticals. This section of the website deals with some of the case studies where our machines have proved to be the best fitment for the cleaning requirements of our clients. Labosis looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.